APC to Labour Party.
I am here in Benue, the food basket of the nation. But we have evil leaders that have turned this state that is meant to be a land flowing with milk and honey to become a land flowing with tears and blood. We say no to it. We say no to it. You cannot travel through the land because you will either be killed, terrorized, or kidnapped. You cannot travel through the air because it's not affordable. You cannot travel through the sea because it is flooded. You cannot travel through the railway because it is grounded. What kind of leaders do we have in this country? But thank God there is hope. Thank God there is hope. Thank God there is an Obi. With Obi, a new Nigeria is possible. A new Nigeria is possible. A new Nigeria is possible. I want to tell you something. This government of APC, they have taken away our peace. They have taken away our prosperity. 1,000 naira is going for $1. They have taken away our everything. Enough is enough. Our women are raped when they want to go to the farm. Our men are killed. Let me say something. There is no division. There is no problem between thief and any other tribe. What you have is problem between thief and criminals. And B2B, if you know his record in Anambra State, he wiped out criminals, irrespective of who they are. When he comes in, criminality will end in Benue State. Shout Obi! Give me Obi! I want to prophesy to you. Your problem has come.